Just as project teams tailor the processes, methods, life cycles, and development approaches, leadership styles are also tailored. In this video, you will learn about situational leadership. We all know these great leaders. They molded their leadership skills according to the need of the situation. Don't forget to subscribe to the Academy channel, because more incredible video is on the way. Let's see an example. David is a business manager. He leads 4 hotel managers in his allocated area. Jane is a new hire. She lacks knowledge and skills, but she is hardworking and motivated. David provides specific step-by-step direction and correct planning to Jane for successful task accomplishment. Nate started off as an enthusiastic and new employee. But after 7 months, his motivation levels started to decrease. He's been facing challenges managing the costs and stocks. David involves Nate in the decision-making process to motivate him. Mike has been with the company for 4 years. He meets targets, but hesitant in taking decisions. He hasn't received a promotion this year. David provides positive and corrective feedback on his team management skills and risk-taking abilities. Julie is David's star performer. She's energetic, self-motivated, confident, and has great skills. David empowers her to take her own decisions. He encourages her to train Jane and Nate in the group. From these examples, we know that a good leader not only knows the different leadership styles, but also knows which leadership style to adapt based on a particular situation.